Grateful house? Kids!
Guys, do you want to do a fun scavenger hunt today?
Yeah!
We get to look for all these different things in nature and check them off the list. Can we see how many we can find? There you go. Okay, listen. Yes, are you ready to find some things? Okay, so Clover and Maple, they're going to help you. Here's a pen so you can keep track. Ready, and go find some stuff.
Let's see if we can find a tree. I found one. Good job. Let's
What'd you find, Lavender?
acorn.
Show me.
Let's find some ants now. Look at all of them. There's so many working to get there. Ants, see? Ants. Let's look for some flowers, everyone. Come on. Many flowers. I took one. It looks so pretty. Look at you. Flowers. Let's look for some. Oh, we found some. Ooh, there's so many over here. So many types. Now we need to cross that. Oh, so let's look for ladybugs and snails. The clouds. One of the main things I want to find is a ladybug. They're so cute. Ooh, look, a footprint.
See what we've got so far. Let me see.
Feather! Another feather!
Yay!
Another feather!
Let me see. Cool.
Subscribe!
Grateful house.
One last thing before we go. Go tell someone something that you're grateful for.